गाड़ी न्यूट्रल में ब्रेक पाया हुआ है।
गाड़ी छोड़ दो, ब्रेक छोड़ दो,
चलो। चलो देखना ट्रक आ रहा है बाहर।
ब्रेक लगा दो, गाड़ी के पास जाओ। अब भी बोलो।
This is magnetic hill. This is the phenomena that defies gravity. If in this era exists Newton, he would have really committed suicide, because there is no such law which says that there should be no gravity, and this is what is something what I personally think is this should be something eighth wonder of the world. You have just seen the video how the car was parked. The car was put on full breakdown and on neutral, and the car came all the way
uphill,
down to the hill.
uphill.
The car came all the way up the hill without any acceleration, and that is what?
Engine power. Without any engine power.
Without any engine power, without any pump or acceleration, and it came all the way through. You have just seen, and this is what is defying gravity. This is the hill which is around 400 kilometers away from Srinagar and 27 kilometers from Leh. This is one of our adventures in this project, Ladakh.
And that hill should be the magnetic hill. Let's see. Now I'm taking you to the driver.
And here is the driver who was
पाजी कितनी स्पीड पकड़ी गाड़ी ने? 10 की स्पीड पकड़ ली। चलो बहुत बढ़िया।
And here is the crew who is enjoying some of the photo session on this national highway, taking all the risk, but just to establish their portfolio. Here we see Himanshu giving a kingfisher posture to Ashu, and Ashu is all set to go for a great trek. Yes.